Welcome back to Drive Nation US, the channel where we break down vehicles that combine practicality, comfort, and everyday usability. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Suzuki APV, a versatile multi-purpose vehicle that continues to serve as a reliable choice for families, small businesses, and anyone who needs flexible transport with generous space and dependable performance. The 2026 Suzuki APV arrives with a straightforward exterior that prioritizes practicality and utility without unnecessary complexity. Its tall, boxy profile maximizes interior volume, giving the APV a commanding road presence while ensuring excellent visibility for the driver. A simple yet polished front fascia features updated headlights that improve nighttime visibility and give the vehicle a confident look. Smooth body lines and strong door edges help create a sense of robustness, while sliding rear doors on both sides make entry and exit easy for passengers in tight parking areas. The compact overall footprint makes maneuvering in city traffic and parking in crowded areas straightforward, yet the spacious interior feels larger than the exterior dimensions suggest. Inside, the 2026 APV offers a highly flexible cabin layout designed for comfort and utility. Seating is arranged to accommodate up to 8 passengers in multiple rows, with supportive cushions and elevated seating positions that enhance comfort on long drives. The second and third rows can be reconfigured or folded down to create a flat load floor, adding cargo space for luggage, equipment, or business goods when needed. Thoughtful storage compartments are located throughout the cabin to keep small items organized and within reach. A clean, intuitive dashboard layout puts essential controls and information directly in the driver's line of sight, helping minimize distraction and enhance confidence on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Suzuki APV uses a refined and reliable engine that emphasizes smooth performance and efficiency. Its powertrain delivers responsive acceleration in urban traffic and steady power on highways, striking a balance between performance and fuel economy ideal for daily commuting, family journeys, or small business use. The lightweight design and well-tuned suspension help provide a composed ride, absorbing minor road imperfections while maintaining stability and control. With its simple mechanical setup and proven components, the APV is known for dependable operation and lower maintenance costs over time. Technology in the 2026 model focuses on supporting connectivity and convenience without overwhelming the user. The central infotainment system integrates navigation, media playback, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected and entertained on the go. USB ports and power outlets throughout the cabin keep devices charged for both driver and passengers. Climate control is designed to keep the interior comfortable in varied weather conditions, and intuitive controls help make adjustments quick and uncomplicated. Safety is a core part of the 2026 APV's design, with features aimed at enhancing confidence for every journey. Dual front airbags, anti-lock braking ABS, electronic brake force distribution EBD, and stability control help support safe driving in varied conditions. Rear parking sensors and a backup camera assist with maneuvering in tight spaces and crowded parking lots, while reinforced structural design helps protect occupants in the event of an impact. These systems work together to provide peace of mind for families and professional drivers alike. Practicality is one of the strongest attributes of the 2026 Suzuki APV. The generous cargo area, flexible seating options, and wide opening doors make loading gear and accommodating passengers easy. Whether used for school runs, family vacations, or transporting goods, the APV adapts to the task at hand. Its straightforward design and functional interior make it a sensible choice for drivers who want reliability, space, and flexibility without unnecessary complexity. The 2026 Suzuki APV represents a well-rounded package that blends practical design, reliable performance, modern technology, and everyday usability. It's a vehicle built for real-world use, offering comfort, versatility, and value for a wide range of drivers and lifestyles. Thank you for watching Drive Nation US. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Suzuki APV, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. More exciting content is on the way, and we'll see you in the next video.